Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. In case if your device is lagging or freezing or just working slow lately, what you can do about it, you go to the security application. So as you can see, it automatically scans my device for itself. So you just wait it to scan, tap optimize, and then it optimizes system security, clears cache, optimizes security, and overall boosts your device speed. So you can also go to the cleaner and clean up space from different unwanted files, which will speed up your device too. So let's clean these lots of megabytes. You can also perform a security scan to check your device for viruses. And some of these others features like deep clean, managing apps, boost speed and stuff. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.